The following year, Frances had written a screenplay for the film The Rain People, which was an original screenplay about a wife coming to terms with a pregnancy that she did not really want. She wasn't ready to have a kid yet, and so she gets in her car and travels across country with this baby inside her. And along the way, she picks up a hitchhiker. Shirley Knight played the mother, the wife, and James Caan played the hitchhiker. And they travel across the country. She flirts with him, but it turns out he's brain damaged because of a football accident. And the subtext of the film is that this brain damaged college student that she's carrying with her becomes the proxy for the child that she's carrying in her womb. And one thing leads to another, and Robert Duvall enters the picture as a policeman, and the football player in the end gets killed trying to protect her from this policeman who gets angry about something when I forget the particular details of it. But it's a kind of domestic tragedy that ends with her holding this dead baby, this football player, and promising to do right by him. And you never know what her final decision is relative to her own pregnancy.